Oh my god, you guys will never believe this shit. Look at this. Look what I'm holding.
Look at it.
Wait. Focus. It's not gonna focus, but anyways, that's a fucking chicken bone.
How do you know it's a chicken bone?
It's a fucking chicken bone.
How do you know it's a chicken bone?
Because I've eaten enough fucking chicken, okay? That's a fucking chicken bone. The person had it inside their, where the sunroof rail is. They had a leak. And I was trying to figure out where the fucking leak was. And they had this fucking chicken bone. That's fucking disgusting. What the hell is that orange shit growing on it? That's what I want to know. I touched it with my bare hand on accident and I'm fucking pissed. Anyways, I hope y'all have a great day.